Hello everybody, Assistant Professor Scott Straub here. And what I've done is created a series of short videos to help brand new teachers and future teachers succeed in school. And what makes me an expert? Well, I taught for a long time K through 12, and now I teach at the college level. I teach teachers how to get ready, but I've also made a lot of mistakes, so I have a lot of experience there. And I've also worked with probably over 1,000 teachers, brand new teachers and experienced teachers. And the videos, the little tips that I'm going to share with you are tips that they shared with me on how to succeed, not only survive, but thrive and really do well in the classroom. So I hope you enjoy them. Thank you very much.